worth all of those bullets. Like, I drive through a hurricane to get to this, man. This was like, it's like magical.
That's why I was like, you see how this? And we're so
No, this is special. This is really, really
and
nice.
I think now we're going to be able to kind of follow that clearing back. This clearing?
I think so. I just wanted to get back there before. Yeah, it's still early. It's just 1 o'clock. Like at about 1:45, it starts to come in. But I don't give a shit. I don't care what we have to drive through. That was freaking amazing. It was magical. Like the trees.
Have you ever gone down Lake Hyla?
I don't think so.
We did it.
I mean, Mia, did you like that?
What?
Did you like what we were going through? Beautiful.
All right,
I mean, you gotta love Florida, dude.
I love it.
I love Canada.
This was nice. I filmed it on this 360 camera.
That's nice.
On the GoPro Max. My map doesn't have any more river.
No. It's a creek, but it has a bank.
So it keeps going.